Hi, today I have a challenge log for you guys. It's a challenge log from FunKey MonKey number 1 flight trap, I think, and the keychain is a trap. I don't know if it's working or not, probably. So yeah, pretty interesting lock. This is I think Lockwood. Come on, probably some tip-in. Let me check. The key is stuck now. The core is strangely moving back and forth. So I don't know if is that a normal thing or something fun is happening here. So I'm unable to. Let me try the other way. Let me try. I don't know why it's moving. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's the moving thing. Strange. It was, I think it was stuck when I got it from on a package from Squint, so maybe I need to pull and rotate. Maybe it's not. Let me try gentle. To be gentle. FunKey MonKey. Something funky is happening. Oh, I just passed the center of the. Oh, here. Come on, go out. Let me check. Let me try to. Yeah. If it's that hard to remove the key, hand filed key, 1 2 3 4 5 pin. 2.5 minutes trying to get out the key. We'll see how the picking is going to be. Oh no, this is not looking good for me. I'm impressed only by the key. Oh. I don't know to go clockwise or counterclockwise. Let me do it counterclockwise. Let's start like that. So pin 1, pin 1, counter rotation from start. I think I said, you see the cord moving up and down, so I don't know what's the deal with that, but pin 2 counter rotation, and I set pin 2, I'm again in the default set. Pin 3, give me counter rotation and click. Pin 4, nothing. Pin 5, counter rotation. Pin 5 again, 2 clicks, 2 small clicks. 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, click, and again I'm the default set. I think I drop pin number 5. 1 click and we're open. I don't know what happened. It was stuck like here, like that, and I think I move it up. There is something strange happening with the core. I move the core up and now it's open. I'll take it. It was very hard just removing the key, so I will try to get it, but I will not put the key back in, just 2. Now I can see a serrated driver, sorry, keeping. So let me, it's going to be fun disassembling this. I think is something funky is happening here. I'll try to shim it. Yeah, shimming was easy, strangely. I need follower. Here's my follower. I'm a bit surprised. I think some spool pins and some serrated. Where's the keepins? This side. Oh, I can see some weirdness. Here's how the core looks like. I'm happy now that I picked. Wow. So 1 serrated, 2 spool, serrated spool, 3 it's a long spool, 4 it's serrated, and the 5th one it's again serrated. Very nice keepings. Let me rearrange it a little bit. So wow. And threading plus countermilled threading and countermilling, and this, probably I was stuck on this 4th pin, but I don't know why it was moving up and down. We'll check later, but wow, pretty nice work from FunKey MonKey. Here's the key. Pretty, I think I was lucky, maybe not, I don't know, but let me check the drivers. First is spool like, second one is spool with wick spring, the third one wick spring and again spool. The third one was probably a drop. So the 5th one again sharp spool, and the 4th one spool keeping like that. All right, strange, but it is what it is. Let me try to dump all the springs. So double spring on, no, it's not double spring. Maybe it is. No, a spring. No, it's not double. It's a very nice spring. Short spring on 4. Very short on pin number 5. So that's why it's. I said that number 3 it's overset trap. 1 again, pretty short springs, pretty so core threading on 5, nothing on 4, threading on 3 I think, nothing on 2, nothing on 1. Wow, pretty nice work, Lockwood. So let me give you a close up. Like this. So one is rated keeping and spool driver. Second one, it's a spool and spoolish reduce diameter, or yeah, something as a keeping, and spool as a driver, spool as a keeping, very sharp spool as a driver. Serrated keeping 4 and very interesting spool, a bit sharp end and like a keeping, and very nice keeping, serrated keeping and spool as a driver. So FunKey MonKey, thanks for pinning it, a screen, thanks for sending me. So that's it guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.